It's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to go through some of the features of Gemini Pro. So this is comparable to when you upgrade on ChatGPT. It's like, which is better, ChatGPT or Gemini? If you're going to pay around, $25 a month, in Canada here, that's how much it costs. So what is better? So today I'm just going to break down some of the features of Gemini. Just like how ChatGPT has their custom GPTs, on the side here, you can explore gems. Now these are pre-made by Google. They have a lot of different, coding partners. You can show more, writing editor, learning coach. You can add a new gem. Now these gems are similar to where you can upload and add files, create a little knowledge database, and this is comparable to the custom GPTs. So you can create one, for example, if you're always doing social media content of colors and schemes and even just the structure of how you want the output. You can put that into your knowledge database. You can give it the instructions and then you can give it a name and work like that. Now, another cool feature is if you go down to your settings here, you can go to apps. Now under apps, this is where I feel Gemini and the Google infrastructure in general is amazing. You can hook up straight to Google Workspace. So all you got to do in a chat window, if you want to check a Gmail, send an email, ask about a Google Calendar, put something in your Google Calendar, you just put an @Gmail, @Google Docs, @Google Drive, and it's going to auto sync just like that. All you got to do is click the button here because it's all built through this infrastructure. And here there's more. You can link through YouTube. So I'll just give you a little demo here how it works. So hey, I was looking at, I was working on some Google ads for an account. Can you check my email? So you go, so you hit the @ and here's all the options. Check my Gmail for any emails at calendar. When you hit the @ it's going to give you all the items here. So you can even get into Google Tasks, Google Drive. Hey, search my Google Drive. Upload, let's do deep research. Now upload it to my Google Drive. So this is really cool feature of the Pro. I believe this is only for the Pro, but let's just run this here and I'll show you. So it's connecting to the workspace and it's going to show the thinking. Might be some personal info in here, so I'm just going to leave my face over it, but it found several emails. It's going to say, the emails here that I found. And then what you do is you can click the sources. Now it's going to show just like in the web. So in the sources, then you can see the date and you can actually click on that. That'll lead you right into your email. All right, now I'm going to show you guys the @Gmail part here, and this is where you can draft an email in here, edit it. Let's say you're doing a bunch of deep research and at the end you compiled it all and you're like, now can you summarize and send this in an email? Unfortunately with Gemini, it won't actually send the email, but it creates a draft and then sends you a link and you can open it in Gmail and then you can send it there. But yeah, let me just show you how this works really quick. First off, you want to push canvas, and then I'm just going to use the microphone. I think we're not going to need keyboards for much longer. So yeah. Hey Gemini, can you draft me an email to Bob? I want to see if he's available for a coffee tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. or on Thursday at 7:30 a.m. Can you please draft this in Canvas? And I want the option to open this draft in Gmail. Can you please attach the link to make that work? I just hooked up my Gmail box to you. Now, the reason why I was so specific with my prompt there is because they have this open in Gmail here that pops up, and last time it didn't work. I'll say, hey, your link's not working, but this is where the link is. And once again, all right, and like I mentioned, if it didn't give you the open in Gmail link, just say, hey, you didn't give me the link. Because sometimes, this is new and I will get better. And before you send the email as well, there's some other cool features you can do. You can change the tone, casual, very casual, more formal. You can change the length, very short to very long, and you can suggest edits as well. All we do is click on the open in Gmail. It's going to open in Gmail. Bang, just like that. It took all the text and opened in a draft for you. So that is a really cool feature, especially if you were doing a lot of research and you just wanted it summarized and sent right to your draft. So now you don't even have to copy and paste. It's just going to send it. Now, ChatGPT, same price, like I said, but with Google, they give you 2 terabytes of data in the cloud included, which is pretty cool. So that's good for all the projects you're building. As well, you get access to Google Labs, and I've been dropping tutorials and videos on this, which is crazy. It's really cool. So it also gives you access to Flow. It gives you access to Stitch. A lot of these programs, if you are in the marketing world, like for creating user experience, for creating ads, for creating content, it's amazing. So I'll just show you really quick here. So Google Flow is like the AI filmmaking, but there's also all these here. Synth detector. This will say if it's been created by AI or not. So if you're unsure of an image, so many AI tools that you get access to. And some of these tools aren't out yet, but they're just coming, but they're trying to, with the access to, the $25 a month, you get access to all these tools, and they're really, really good. So yeah, I hope you guys liked and learned something today about the power of Gemini. But yeah, if you haven't checked it out, I do still think they're giving you a free 30-day trial. So sign up, you got nothing to lose. You just got to put your credit card in, and then if you're unsure about that, you can cancel right away and you'll still get the 30-day trial. So yeah, check it out, and I'm sure you'll probably keep it after using it for a month. And it is a very powerful large language model, and they're killing it these days. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.